Hello viewers. Today we have decided to go to Musandam and we are now going to Musandam. It is Khasab village and that is a port and we are going there. We pre-booked the tour. We are traveling from Dera Dubai to Musandam, Oman. It took us approximately 4.5 hours. For road trip it is 195 kilometers. They have taken from for Dubai exit. It took us 35 dirhams per person, and in Oman the visa charges are 50 dirhams per person. We pre-booked the Musandam trip, and right now we are heading towards Musandam Dhau. First, we are going to Dhau cruise. From there, we will be heading towards Telegraph Islands to watch dolphin show. Here we waited for a food break. We brought our breakfast from home and lunch and other refreshments served on the boat itself. Let's go and have fun. Hello, we have reached to Musandam and now we are getting transferred from our car to the Dhau cruise. My sister-in-law and her family and my husband, we are heading towards the Dhau cruise now. Here is a strong pungent smell of fishes is there. We are supposed to climb from here. There are a line of cruises is there. So our Dhau is, this is not our Dhau, the next one is ours. And it is a double-decker dhau, so we are getting in there. See, here is a sitting arrangement of first dhau cruise. Same arrangement is there for all dhau. Only thing is you have to keep in mind is you have to ask them beforehand what amenities they are going to provide for us, like banana boat ride, speed boat ride, snorkeling, dolphin. So various types of tour options are there. We chose dolphin and snorkeling. Here there is a stand. We have to put our shoes there, and we have to look out for whichever place we like to sit. So here is ample of space. Let's see. Now my kids have already gone up on the deck, so let's see. I think we will go on the deck and we'll explore there itself that how it looks there. The staircase is little bit tricky. You have to hold on both the sides, or else there is a chance of falling down. So you have to be very careful while climbing up. See, so nice. It is very beautiful up there, and sitting arrangement is also very nice. Right now Dhau is standing. The timing for Dhau cruise was 10:15, something like that. My younger one started playing already. So now people are coming. So 3-4 families are coming. Because of Corona, rules and regulations are very strict. We have to wear mask. And here now we are going to start our tour. First we are heading towards Telegraph Islands for watching dolphins. Let's enjoy.
दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं चाहत में तेरी, डूबा डूबा रहता हूँ आँखों में तेरी, दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं चाहत में तेरी। अब दिन गुजरते रहे रातें कटती रहे, तस्वीर से बात बनती रहे, हो आजा। कोई जाने ना पहचाने ना ये हुआ कैसे। तुम आ गए ख्वाबों में ऐसे, कोई जाने ना पहचाने ना ये हुआ कैसे। तुम आ गए ख्वाबों में ऐसे, बेवफा सुनो बेवफा, बेवफा न जा। डूबा डूबा रहता हूँ आँखों में तेरी।
These are Telegraph Islands and here we saw dolphins.
तुम जो मिल गए दिए जल गए मेरे ख्वाबों में, बन जाओ तुम मेरे हमसफर। तुम जो मिल गए दिए जल गए मेरे ख्वाबों में, तुम मेरे हमसफर। बेवफा सुनो बेवफा, बेवफा न जा। डूबा डूबा रहता हूँ आँखों में तेरी, दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं चाहत में तेरी। डूबा डूबा रहता हूँ आँखों में तेरी, दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं चाहत में तेरी। गुजरते नहीं रातें कटती रही, तेरी तस्वीर से बात बनती रही। हो आजा ना जा बेवफा, बेवफा ना जा बेवफा, बेवफा ना जा। ला ला ले la 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 le la 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 le la 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 le 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 la la la.
Snorkeling time. We are inside the water, but keeping it in mind that due to corona, equipments are there, but we didn't use their equipments and we forgot to take ours also. But we already had that experience beforehand also, so we had our goggles on, and that's why we managed to see down. Because the weather was very windy, we couldn't manage to see many fishes, but yes, some school of fishes was over there. It was over and all very nice experience.
खुले आसमां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे उड़े, दिल के जहां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे। ओहो क्या पता जाएंगे कहाँ, खुले हैं जो पर कहेगी नजर, लगता है अब है जागे हम। फिक्रे जो थी पीछे रह गई, निकले उनसे आगे हम। हवा में बह रही है जिंदगी,
See, there is a dolphin near that boat.
रही है जिंदगी। ओहो ओहो अब तो जो भी हो सो उड़े खुले आसमां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे उड़े दिल के जहां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे
There is a beautiful couple of dolphins coming towards us.
जाएंगे कहाँ किसी ने छुआ तू ही हुआ फिरते हैं महके महके हम हुई है गई बात ही नहीं जब है ऐसे बहके हम हुआ है यूं कि दिल पिघल गए बस एक पल में हम बदल गए ओहो अब तो जो भी हो सो हो
रोशनी मिली अब राहों में है एक दिलकशी सी बरसी हर खुशी मिली अब जिंदगी पे है जिंदगी सी बरसी अब जीना
Some more dolphins while going back. Now we are heading towards our port, our car. Some tips to be remember while doing this tour. You have to pre-book the tour. You have to see the weather conditions. If it is very windy, you are not supposed to go, because we couldn't manage to see a lot of school of fishes as promised by the tour manager. Then speedboat ride, banana boat ride, or going inside the cave, it was next to impossible because the condition was not perfect for all these things, as water level was very up. So you have to keep in mind all these things before going. And tea and coffee is not served with the milk, and rest or lunch and everything was very nice. But now we are going back. While going back, it was rain, and over and all it was a very nice trip. So we enjoyed a lot. If you like this video, let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe if you like the video, and some more snaps are coming on the way. So bye bye and have fun. Be safe. We will meet in the next video. Bye.
देखो कैसा बेकरार है भरे बाजार में यार एक यार के इंतजार में
सावन बरसे तरसे दिल क्यों ना निकले घर से दिल बरखा में भी दिल प्यासा है ये प्यार नहीं तो क्या है देखो कैसा बेकरार है भरे बाजार में यार
Bye.